IrriGRAY's power needs are simple. There are two requirements that we will explain. First, IrriGRAY requires a dedicated 120-volt 15-amp circuit. Take care to ensure this circuit is not connected to any other outlets or appliances. A GFCI must be installed either at the main panel or at the outlet. Here we can see the power and control cables for the controller. To the left, a black 120-volt cable with a male plug, connected to the dedicated circuit wall outlet. To the right, a black 120-volt cable with a female plug for the basin pump. The purple cable is low voltage DC, while the yellow cable is 24-volt AC. The second specific requirement is to ensure the basin pump is powered by the controller, not by a separate circuit. 120 volts passes through a relay in the controller. If the controller is turned off or is not running, by default the pump receives power. Any water in the basin will automatically be pumped to waste. When the controller is running, it may occasionally turn off the pump as part of normal automated operation. So the requirements are simply a dedicated 120-volt 15-amp circuit, only one GFCI, and make sure the basin pump is powered by the controller and not by a different circuit.